Are you bored of some old biryani or just plain rice? Let me introduce the perfect middle ground, the royal yet homely chicken pulao. Hello everyone, I'm NDS. You're watching NDS Easy Cook Recipes. This is my very first video on YouTube. Chicken pulao has a royal history. It began over 3000 years ago in ancient Persia, where it was called pulao, rice cooked with meat and spices. It traveled to India through Central Asia and was perfected by Mughals with Basmati rice, saffron, and ghee. The main ingredients which are required here: chicken 500 gram, Basmati rice 300 gram, onion 2 medium, curd else yogurt 100 gram, tomato 1 medium, green chilies 2 slit, ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon, cooking oil else ghee 4 tablespoons, and water 600 ml. Whole spices are required here: bay leaf 2, green cardamom 3, black pepper 6, cinnamon stick 1 inch, cloves 4, star anise half piece, cumin half teaspoon. Powder spices required here: turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, red chilli half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon. For garnishing, I have taken fried onion half cup, mint leaves 2 tablespoons, coriander leaves 2 tablespoons. Now let's start cooking. Turn on the stove and place a cooker. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, add all the whole spices. Keep stirring it and let them splutter and release their aroma. Now add the sliced onion. Keep stirring continuously so they don't stick to the bottom. So we want them to turn light golden. That gives nice color to the pulao. Next, add ginger garlic paste. Mix well so you will instantly get the beautiful aroma. Now add the slitted chili and keep stirring it. Now add chopped tomatoes. At this stage, add salt. This helps tomato cook faster and become soft quickly. Keep stirring so that masala doesn't burn at the bottom of cooker. Once the tomatoes are soft and the oil starts separating, add all powdered spices. Give everything a nice stir. Once powdered spices are fried, add a little water. This prevents masala from burning and helps it cook evenly. Keep stirring it until aroma comes out. Now add the chicken pieces. Mix well so that chicken gets cooked with all the masalas. Keep sauteing for 3 to 4 minutes until the color changes slightly. Now add the curd. Curd gives a creamy texture and also helps tenderize the chicken. Now mix it well so that curd will get blended with masalas. Close the lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Open the lid now. So you will see oil floating slightly on top. That means masala is properly cooked. Stir it nicely so that all the masalas get mixed well. Now add the soaked basmati rice. Mix everything gently. Make sure the rice doesn't break. Coating the rice with masala give it amazing flavor. Now pour in the right amount of water, around 3.5 to 4 cups. Add fried onion and add some fresh mint leaves, coriander leaves on the top of it. Now close the cooker lid tightly. Let it cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. After that, turn off the stove and let the pressure release naturally. Look at that! The aroma itself tells you it's perfectly done. The chicken is tender, the rice is pulpy, and every grain is coated with the flavor. The tasty royal style chicken pulao is ready to serve. One bowl of chicken pulao packs around 850 calories, full of energy and flavor. It rich in 38 grams of protein to keep you strong, with 32 grams of healthy fats and 90 grams of carb for the perfect balance. It a little fiber, hint of sweetness, and all that deliciousness in one bowl. If you like this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel NDS Easy Cooked Recipe. Let me know in comment how your chicken pulao turned out. See you soon with another simple and tasty recipe. Until then, happy cooking.